Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable or disable HTTPS boot on Alienware 16 Aurora laptop. To do that, you're gonna need to access the BIOS setup menu, and to get here, you're gonna need to shut down your computer entirely, then short press power button once to launch your PC. While your PC is launching, you're gonna have to immediately start clicking the F2 key until you see this dashboard on your screen. Then here in the BIOS setup menu, you're gonna need to enable advanced setup by switching this toggle to the right. Then go to connection, and once you are in connection menu, you're gonna need to scroll down to HTTPS boot feature. To enable it or disable it, use this toggle, and if you switch it on, you'll also be able to choose the HTTPS boot mode. So you can either use the auto mode or the manual mode. In auto mode, we have to provide the CA certificate. In manual mode, we have to enter the boot URL. To apply changes, click Apply Changes at the bottom, then click OK. And if you want to exit, either click Exit in the bottom right corner or press Escape on your keyboard. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.